Busy Bees Honeysuckle Bees YouTube recipe video. Alright, share. Well, that was easy. Hey Busy Bees! Wondering what to pack for lunch? Well, I've got that problem solved. Today I'm partnering with Cacique to share 3 sandwiches that'll make your taste buds explode. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe below, and we'll get started with our first sandwich, which is the avocado, turkey, and panela sandwich. So a turkey avocado sandwich is a pretty classic deli item, but I always feel like it lacks flavor and texture somehow. So today I'm gonna be amping it up with some panela cheese. So I have some bread of choice, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of condiments to it. Not too much. Here I have some Mayo and Dijon. And then we have some lettuce, sliced turkey breast, a little bit of avocados. And now I'm gonna amp up this ordinary sandwich with some Cacique panela cheese. The flavor is mild, creamy, and slightly tangy. It's very similar to feta or ricotta cheese, but it holds its structure a lot better. I'm adding 2 slices here, and then now I'm just gonna finish off with a little more turkey and avocado, just to create some nice layers. Close it up, and here's our turkey, avocado, and panela sandwich, or avocado and turkey and panela sandwich. Look at all those beautiful layers. I like kind of adding different layers of the ingredients so it looks beautiful like this. Let's dig in. This panela brought the turkey and avocado sandwich to a whole nother level. Like I said, it's slightly mild, creamy, and tangy, but you really taste that in combination with the other ingredients. All right, now that we have our first sandwich done, we're gonna move on to our next one, which is my version of the BLT. It's the BLPT. So this time I'm gonna be grilling the panela. Panela cheese is like halloumi cheese, where it really keeps its structure when heated or grilled. So I'm just gonna lay a few slices on my pan and cook it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it has that nice grill, like searing marks. All right, now it's done. I love the grill marks here, and I love adding the panela cheese to your classic BLT because it just makes it more hearty and filling. Okay, so now we can assemble our BLPT sandwich, and it's really quite simple. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mayo on each slice of bread, layer on some lettuce, a few slices of tomato, bacon, and of course our grilled panela. I love the added panela cheese in the sandwich because it makes it more hearty and filling. Of course, if you don't want to go through the trouble of grilling the panela, you can always use regular panela slices as well. Some more lettuce, close it up, and voila! And here's our BLPT, or actually I'm gonna rename it the Panela Bacon Lettuce Tomato Sandwich, so PBLT. If you have never tried grilled panela in a BLT before, I highly recommend it because that bite was mouth-watering, savory, and the panela, the grilled panela, added so much flavor and texture in there. Man, I could devour the sandwich right now. Like, I could just stop everything and just finish this. And this piece right here. All right, I wanna finish this, but I'm not going to because we have one more sandwich to make. Finally, for those of you guys that love more creamy, like salad-like sandwiches, I have a creamy chicken salad with a little bit of a southwestern spin. To make this creamy chicken salad sandwich, it's really quite easy. I'm gonna start by making the chicken salad first. Here I have some leftover grilled chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, grilled chicken, anything leftover that you want to really transform. This is a great recipe for that. Then I have a little bit of chopped onions, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Some red bell peppers. You can eyeball everything based on your preference. Some corn, about 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, hint of salt, 2 teaspoons of cilantro, and about 1/4 cup of Cacique queso fresco. The queso fresco adds a milky, fresh, and savory taste to our salad, and the texture is nice and crumbly so that it mixes well with the rest of the ingredients. Now we'll just mix, mix, mix. This looks so colorful and fresh. Now let's stuff it in a sandwich. I just need some lettuce to keep the bread from getting soggy. Put a barrier in between the salad. And then just scoop on our chicken salad directly onto the lettuce. Spread it out. Close it up. And here's our creamy chicken salad with a little bit of a southwestern spin. This sandwich is super unique because you don't see a lot of chicken sandwiches with this type of like flavor combination. The queso fresco adds milky, nutty flavor and you can totally taste it. And then the crunch from the corn and red bell peppers, this one is a must try as well. Okay, so here are 3 upgraded sandwiches that'll hopefully inspire your next lunch. If you guys are still watching this far, be sure to comment below with a cheese emoji. I want to know though, which sandwich would you guys pack for your next lunch if you had all the ingredients available? I highly recommend this grilled PBLT. It's probably one of the best sandwiches I've made in a really long time. I mean, all of these are good, but I'm just gonna finish this up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! It's still good.